Now observe next one, 36 problem. A1 comma A2 comma A3 comma A4 comma so on are in HP, given both are in HP series, harmonic progression series. In this harmonic progression, first term is 5 and 20 term is 25 given. Okay, so here first term given and 20 term given. What is the asking question? For the least positive integer n for which an is less than 0. If an is less than 0, then what is the least value of n? Least integer value of n. So for what value of n is less than 0. Okay, what is the least value of n? So n is less than 0. Okay, so how to find n value? Here given a1 is equal to 5 and a20 is equal to 25 in a harmonic progression. So if you take reciprocal, it becomes AP series. So now taken as reciprocal, 1 by a1, 1 by a2, 1 by a3, 1 by a4, like this, are in AP series. So these are in AP series. This is first term. Let first term, let 1 by a1 is equal to a, first term. 1 by a2 is equal to a plus d. 1 by a3 is equal to a plus 2d, like this. Okay, in AP this is first term. First term generally denoted with a. This is second term, a plus d. Okay, third term a plus 2d, fourth term a plus 3d, 20 term a plus 19d, like that. Okay, so here, so a is first term means a1 is equal to 1 by a, a2 is equal to 1 by a plus d, so a3 is equal to 1 by a plus 2d. Yes or no? Take reciprocal. Okay, a plus d, a plus 2d, that is in AP. So if you take reciprocal, that is in HP. a1, a2, a3 are HP. So a1 is equal to 1 by a, a2 is equal to a plus d, a3 is equal to a plus 2d, and a20 given. So a20 is equal to 25 given. So a20 means 1 by a plus 19d is equal to 25. A plus 19d is equal to 25. Okay, and a1 is equal to 5 given. What is a1? 1 by a. 1 by a is equal to 5. So a is equal to 1 by 5. So a is equal to 1 by 5, and from this one, a plus 19d is equal to 1 by 25. A plus 19d is equal to 1 by 25 and a is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, so you have to find the d value. So a plus 19d is equal to 25. A plus 19d is equal to 25. So a is equal to 1 by 5. Yes, substitute here. A is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 19d, that is equal to 25. So 19d is equal to, so 1 by 5 transpose this side, it becomes a minus, sorry, a plus 90d is equal to 1 by 25 now. 1 by 25. So here 1 by 25. So 1 by 25 minus 1 by 5. So 19d is equal to 25. 1 minus 5 times. So 19d is equal to minus 4 by 25. So d is equal to how much? 19 transpose this side. Division minus 4 into 19 into 25. 25 is 2500. 475. So d is equal to minus 4 by 475. Okay, d is equal to minus 4 by 475. This is d value. A is equal to 1 by 5. A is equal to 1 by 5. D is equal to minus 4 by 475. So for what least value of n, then an is less than 0. For what value of n? This n. So an is, it becomes less than 0. So now taken as an is equal to 1 by a plus n minus 1 into b. 1 by 5 plus n minus 1 into what is b value? 4 by minus 4 by 475. B value is minus 4 by 475, a value is 1 by 5. Okay, so take LCM. 475 is LCM. How many times? 4 nines, 5 nines, 45. Okay, 25, 5 5 minus 4 of n minus 1. So 1 by 95 minus 4n plus 4 by 475. So 95, 1 by 95 minus 99, 45 plus 4, 95 plus 4, 99 minus 4n by 475. Okay, so this is an 1 by 99 minus 4n by 475. Now observe here this denominator. So this value is less than 0. So now taken as here, for what least value of n, an is less than 0. So that's why you are taken condition 99 minus 4n by 475 is less than 0. Less than 0. For what value of n? The result is less than 0. So here 99 minus 4n is less than this one also 0. Minus 4n is less than minus 99. Yes sir, minus 4n. 99 transpose this side minus. Okay. So multiply with minus, 4n is greater than 99. 4n is greater than 99. So n greater than 99 by 4. 99 by 4 means how much? N greater than 4 2s are 8, 4 4 16, 3 by 4 like this. So n greater than 3 by 4, 24 3 by 4. So more than, n value is more than of 24 3 by 4. So an is less than 0. So how to get an is less than 0 means, now see this, n value is greater than of 24 3 by 4 means if you take 25. If you take 25, so an, now check it, if you take n is equal to 25. 25 is integer. N value is more than 24 3 by 4. So if you substitute here, if you take n is equal to 25. So an means a25 like that. 99 minus 4 into 25 by 475. So 475 by 99 minus 100. So it becomes negative. So we get minus 475. Minus 475. An is less than 0. We get negative. So that's why that is less than 0. If you take n is equal to 26 into 4. Okay, so that is more than of 100. Again we get negative. Means if you take n values are more than 25, so always get an is negative only. Means 25th term, 26th term, 27, 28 all terms are negative only. Okay, so here least values is n is equal to 25. Least value.